This video will show you how to put the Guardian bumper horizontally on the FeatherLITE frame. First, open your bag of hardware and apply blue thread lock to the bolts. These track nuts are what the bumper will attach to. Insert them inward, upward, and then downward in the track of the side of the FeatherLITE frame. Use a screwdriver through the hole to line up your track nuts. You can put your first bolt in the middle of the bumper and then put the rubber donut on the back side. Start threading this bolt into your middle track nut just tight enough so you can still spin the bumper. Now take your screwdriver and put it in the hole and line up your track nuts for the other two bolts. Put those two bolts in, the two donuts on, and you're ready to attach the final bolts. Leave your bumper slightly loose because it may take a little finagling with your screwdriver, aiming it upward, downward, sideways to get the thread started. Once all the bolts are started into their threads, you can go back through and tighten everything up. The Guardian is done. You should always use boat fenders with any dock bumper, while the Guardian is your last line of defense between the boat and the dock.